We have been hearing all week about some of the fun, unique toys being launched at this year's New York Toy Fair. And while we won't see some of it on store shelves for a while yet, we have Catherine Tighe from Learning Express Toy Store. She is here in Madison with us, back with us today to talk. You flew back in yesterday afternoon, and some of these just came to the store this afternoon.
They just came in about a half an hour ago, so I was lucky to be able to grab them and run over here.
Oh my gosh. All right, Catherine, talk to us. How was it? First of all, I can't imagine.
It is probably the most exciting thing to see. There's over 1,000 vendors, 16,000 buyers, people from 100 countries are there. It's just very exciting.
Overwhelming?
To see. Yeah, it can be overstimulous.
How do you pick? Now, these are some of the ones, and this one I'm fascinated by.
Well, what I saw a lot of at Toy Fair were categories that have traditionally been geared towards boys being opened up to girls. And one of the most popular toys that we've been selling are hex bugs, which are robotic bugs.
They're really cool, and you have not checked them out
They are
yet.
awesome. And so now they have, from the UK, a very popular virtual game called Moshi Monsters. They have applied it to the same technology as the robotic bugs and brought these little guys to life. And
oh, those move?
Yeah, and they are
these are motion monsters. Okay. Oh, that's all of this here.
Yep, and they're collectible little robots. And you put together a whole city. They all have personalities, of course.
You learn like spatial relationships, and this just kind of makes it fun.
Yeah, it's kind of like the science-y virtual world coming to life.
I know Lego's really looking at trying to incorporate.
Yeah, that's another thing. We can turn these off because they're so loud. That Lego has opened up its category to really include the girl aspect of it.
I want to, because we're going to run out of time really quick here. What are these?
These are Monsters. You got to say Monsters, not monsters. And monsters, aliens, zombies are going to be seen all over the place. And these are adorable. They make cute little noises. This is to bring
your phone.
Old school to new school. So we got your iPhone, and you can make phone calls on the old school handsets.
And those I've seen before, but those are really starting to
just whip this out of your purse and
you know what? The kids will love it. Actually, my daughter bought a really old phone at a garage sale, and she won't let me get rid of it.
Right.
And then obviously we've seen some of the Angry Birds like these.
Where the app games have come to life in the physical world. And everyone knows Angry Birds, but we have new characters that are popping up. And
so this is one of the next levels you were
Monkeys,
saying.
another level.
Okay,
yep.
We haven't seen those yet, but these are my favorite.
Yeah.
By the way, guys.
Happy Easter.
Thanks so much, Catherine. We really appreciate you coming in and giving us a great spread and taste of some of the toys to come this year. Stay with us. Final check on traffic and weather next.